Hey creators, ready to turn your Instagram posts into cash? In just 2 minutes, we'll show you how to monetize your account in 2025. If this helps, hit that like and subscribe button, and let's dive in. First, open Instagram on your phone and head to your profile. Tap the bottom right icon. Tap the three lines in the top right, then scroll to Settings and Activity. Find for Professionals, tap Account Type and Tools, and hit Switch to Professional Account. Select Creator or whatever fits you, then follow the quick setup. Takes 30 seconds. Done? Tap X to skip extra steps for now. Back on your profile, you'll see Professional Dashboard. Tap it, hit the gear icon, and select Monetization Status. If it says you're eligible for branded content, you're golden. That's your ticket to brand deals. Head back to the dashboard, tap Your Tools, then Branded Content, and hit Enable. To land deals, DM brands or join an agency. When posting, tap More Options, then Partnership Label and Ads to tag your brand. Done. Keep posting to stay eligible, and you're set to earn. That's it, creators. Like, subscribe, and tell us your niche in the comments. See you in the next one.